Hello everyone, welcome to a new other videos. Today's video Facebook advertising checklist. Calculate your total commission. A step by step process Facebook advertising. Plaguing, buildings, designing, craft writing, scheduling, monetize, analyze. State was your Facebook ads comprise the advertising Facebook's will harvest over thousands of dollars per month. But how do you now spitting effectively? In this checklist we always and the best product you should following more maximum ROI your Facebook ads we complete tips and hacking the member hotspots paid marketing teams. Download the list now and start running your Facebook ads campaign the right ways. And how to run Facebook ads, a step by step guides to advertising on Facebook. Download we setting up to paid create Facebook building. We starting of paid Facebook ads there alerts boxing and B checklist are teaching and right people are your image destination as to sales you are running the right types of ads behind hosting can getting little concentration with more than 2.6 billions of people using Facebook every month and nearly 1.7 billion users every day. Facebook offer up to unique optimization marketing almost the original effect the topless and without invest time money of other them such rooms our right download new Facebook advertising checklist to help we put target checklist help your campaign details strategy our watch short videos how to increase effect your ads and biggest these help increase tipping into right advice right and right time Facebook advertising checklist fill out the excess copy what is your name first of all first name and last name example join and some Facebook offer visibility of paid option and primary but ads you can broker down themes element first campaign the campaign horse are your accent second ad set your target splitting audience with different characters you are needed individual you are each third adds your adds live with adds real set earth and set hold visitor address the very color copy image etc with the technique over out dry creation ad how to run Facebook ads first create an account with Facebook manager second start your creating ad target Facebook ads manager third choose your objective fourth choose your audience 5 set up biggest 6. Create your ads. 7th. Monitor your ads performance matters. Ads reporting on your Facebook ad performance. First, create your account with Facebook Ads Manager. Facebook Ads Manager is spokely dashboard. It provides user in overviews are then combined upfront and dashboard highlights and estimates you have such speeding, such day dashboard optimization, comments and which makes easy filter target ads so create customer views your result key members like each frequency and cost really available marketing reporting performance and banner and order user Facebook ads manager you needed Facebook business page learns how to step up their basic can as target professional profiles that can following step 1 negative to click the your business tools ad manager second tips button the go to ad manager third confirm your information on the best account step page fourth step your payment method 5 save your changing once of step ads manager because the control insect your Facebook ads. Step 2 start your created target Facebook ad manager. Once of login into ads manager you can see performance dashboard. Your campaign ads will be listed individual result declined your create ads Facebook this dashboard will be employed to create your campaign ad step target Facebook ad manager tips our type of increase create types show third choose your object Facebook ads manager like many social media advertising tools designing getting start ads manager promote you can choose object your campaign. These are 11 different objects. Choose your from. List increase every 4. Great brand always. Our app increase online store. By choosing one of the object you can give Facebook better idea with likely to compete with brand always reach website traffic increase app install video viewers messengers consistent store traffic.